it's better if magkakaroon ka ng parang, let's say, fund dun sa anak mo. Kasi technically, pera nila yon. And it would be a good investment sa kanila kapag laki nila. Kasi syempre, as a parent, you want your kid to not experience kung ano yung na-experience mo kahirapan or paghihirap ngayon habang pinapalaki mo sila, and you want to give them, a better life, and having like a fund, a kids fund or college fund or whatever fund na kikitain, let's say na monetize or sumikat yung channel nila, that would be a good start. And then syempre, wag din nating pag-interesan or exploit masyado yung mga bata kasi they're still kids. Hindi mo kailangan, let's say, puwersahin na every time na lalabas kayo or every week kailangan nag-video or ganito. Pero I let the parents decide kasi syempre mas kilala nyo yung mga anak nyo, alam nyo yung best way to take care of them, kung paano sila palakihin and how to manage their career, kasi every parent only want what's best for their children. And then eto maganda rin yung topic na to. So meron tayong dapat na guideline, meaning ano yung posting rules natin, let's say sa social media, especially if bata ka pa.